Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a short stack. Playing with a limited number of chips, usually 20 big blinds or fewer, demands a unique approach to poker. You cannot afford to play passively or see many flops. Instead, your focus must shift to aggressive pre-flop play, aiming to either win the blinds and antes outright or commit all your chips when you have a strong advantage. This strategy is about efficiency and maximizing your fold equity. When playing a short stack, patience is paramount. You must significantly tighten your starting hand requirements, only entering pots with premium hands like pocket aces, kings, or queens, and strong suited connectors or Broadway cards. Avoid playing marginal hands that might look appealing but can quickly deplete your stack without clear winning potential. Every chip counts, so make sure your initial investment is based on solid hand strength and a clear path to victory. As your stack dwindles to around 10 to 15 big blinds, the push-fold strategy becomes your primary weapon. This means you are either moving all-in pre-flop or folding your hand. There is no room for limping or small raises. This approach simplifies decisions, maximizes your fold equity, and prevents you from being slowly chipped away by blinds and antes. Consult a reliable push-fold chart to understand optimal ranges based on your position and opponent tendencies. Position is even more critical when playing a short stack. Acting last allows you to see how your opponents react, giving you crucial information before making your all-in decision. Always consider your hand's equity against the range of hands your opponents might call with. Don't just push any strong hand. Ensure it has a good chance of winning against likely callers. Making informed, aggressive moves from late position significantly increases your chances of doubling up and staying in the game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.